Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee. I'm so excited that you're here today because today we're doing something I normally don't do. I am thrifting in season for items. What that means is I am thrifting for fall. I usually give you advice to thrift out of season so you can get the deals, but today I'm feeling a hankering to just do some fall home decor thrifting. So I'm hiding here in the clothing section because you can see right behind me, this Goodwill has an amazing home goods section. And so today we're going to look for some fall decor, maybe pillows for our couch or, you know, a tablecloth or curtains or something to do a nice tablescape, because I'm thinking towards Thanksgiving about how I want to have a beautiful decor set up for my visitors, if you know what I mean. I'm going to be having some visitors in town, and so I want them to like have an experience in my house. So let's go thrift for fall in the fall season and see if we can find some amazing deals. If you like what you're seeing, do me a favor, like and subscribe, because this is all about beauty on a budget, looking like $1 million but not spending $1 million. So hit that subscribe button. All right, let's go thrift. Okay, this is a big Goodwill that I have not been to in months. So we're gonna go and have some fun. I wanna go straight to the home decor section and see what they have. As you know, I like to go directly to the new carts that come out. So I'm taking a look. I don't see much here. This is kind of cool. This candelabra, actually, this is actually really cool. That could be something that we could put on a tablescape to make it a little higher. I'm gonna have to look at it though. It looks like it might be a little bent. Let me check it out. All right, here's another new cart. We gotta check it out and see what they have here as well, because you always can find nice little gems on the new stuff. I'm thinking of fall colors. A new, ooh, this is actually kind of nice. Fall pillows for my couch in my living room. Okay, so I'm in the home goods section, and this is actually a really good section to thrift in this store because they have a lot of home good donations, it seems. So I'm gonna go through this area. I will say that I do like these pillows. They're kind of expensive. They're $12.99 each, but they are very much the fall vibe. So I'm gonna keep them on my cart. I'm looking for a buddy for this one because this is not only really just perfectly, neutral, great for my living room, but also it is a purple tag. It's a purple tag, so it's on sale. And then I'm also holding on to these pillows as well because they would be beautiful for Christmas decorating. So I'm already starting to think ahead. So I'm gonna go through all of the blankets here. I'm gonna go through all of the home good items here, the pillows and everything, and see what we have. Okay, this is why handmade items should not be in the thrift. It makes me so sad. Look at this. This was a ton of work. Oh. And it's going for $15, $14.99. It's so cute, but honestly, what am I gonna do with it? So I'm not gonna even look at it. Then there's this. This is a latch hook rug. I don't know how much it's going for. I have to see. Oh, $7.99, not bad. This was a ton of work too. Take a look at this. That's very fall inspired. How big it is. It keeps going. Oh. Somebody did this by hand. Holy cow. You guys, come on. Handmade. 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 I wish they were in better shape. I would totally rescue them, but they're not. They're kind of itchy. They're acrylic, so. This is huge. It's gorgeous. And it's only $8. I don't know if this is handmade or not, but my goodness, the work that went into this. And this is very fall-esque, You know what I mean? It's got the colors. It's got the feel of it. This is $11.99. It's smaller, but it would be a really good thing to go over the back of the couch for fall. And it's so warm and cozy. It's that chenille yarn. It's handmade again. And look, some more handmade items underneath. It's just crazy. This store has some great linens. Now, I wonder if this is one that I'm going to regret leaving behind. There's actually two of them. They're $8 a piece. They're faux leather. They're not real leather, but I do have a couch that these could go and match to. Let's see if this one's marked the same price. You never know when you're at the thrift. Yeah, $8. I don't know if I need them. I don't need any of this stuff, so like I'm trying to be mindful of that. Adrian Landau home. These are nice big pillows. Oh my God, those are only $8 too. That's kind of nice, actually. Riding around with a ton of stuff in my cart, but we're just gonna continue to look and see if we could find any items that would go with our fall aesthetic that we're looking to create. All right, here's the aisle that we really want to look at because it's got the warm orangey colors. So we're gonna kind of do some snooping around here, see if we can find some fall decor that we can add to our... What is this? Holy cow, hold on. This is interesting. It's not necessarily fall in nature, but it's just aesthetically beautiful. There are 4 of these in here. I think one of them doesn't match, but there's at least 3 of them. They are all on sale for half off. So we shall put these in the cart because these are definitely going to be great for the tablescape for Thanksgiving. Question. Okay, so I came across this and I have 4 of them, so that would be $10 for 4. Would you trade those in for these $1.99 vases and just do a little DIY? These $1.99s are on sale for $1 and there are 4 of them right here. So it'd be just $4 for 4 of them as opposed to $10 of these for 4 of them. This is a cute fall item, but it's not as rich in color as I would want. It's a good price, $2.99, but it's not the color I'm going for, so I'm gonna leave this behind. $1.99 for this small bag. I wish they were bigger and I would pay that price because they would be great to add to the tablescape, but it's not really what I'm looking for. I need more. This is kind of cool. What is this? Oh, it's a little planter. $3.99. This Goodwill does a good job of using their end caps to their advantage. They always have a nice selection of items on their end caps. These actually speak to me. They're so cute. Okay, they're $1.99 each. Those are candle holders. Yes, those are very cool. Don't pass up on the little things like these little Pampered Chef napkin holders. Those are actually really cute. However, there's only 4 and I'm gonna have a big table and there's no price on it. So when you're making decor choices, pick items that are in various sizes because you can make different heights of things. So I want to do a lot of candles on my Thanksgiving table this year. So I think I might pick these up because these are actually perfect. This place is really busy today and it's loud. So I'm trying to like talk with you so you can hear me. But at the same time, I keep hearing noises and I'm like, oh, can they hear me? So we're going to keep looking and I'll show you stuff as it comes along. I'm thankful for their color coding efforts because I really don't like to sift through certain colors. So this is really helping me out here. Today I'm looking for, warm fall colors. So, oh wow, look at these plates. Those are so cool. They're $1.99 each. I don't need plates. That's very pretty. This cornucopia is marked $2.99 with the flowers and everything. This is a really cool find. Now remember, I told you that it's always Christmas at the Goodwill and at Salvation Army. So don't ignore the holiday section because then once you get to the holiday season, all the good stuff is going to be gone. I'm doing this fall thrift because I did not think about it a couple months ago. So some of the items that I probably could have got for a great price are a little bit higher right about now because I'm looking for fall items in fall. But remember that tip that, you know, you want to thrift out of season. Like these would be great for Christmas because you can put little food in it and it has its own little holder. Those are kind of cool. You can always keep an eye out for lights. And of course, coffee mugs. And this is why you look everywhere. I found this ceramic pumpkin in the Christmas section, $3.99. However, I can paint this into the more rich tones that I'm looking for, and that's an easy fix. I'm gonna put this in my cart for now. I have way too much in my cart, just so you know. Look at that, that's crazy. We're gonna have to go through this, but right now we're having a good time. I cannot tell you how many of these I go through during the winter season, but I love these little tea light candles and using them in decor and on my kitchen table, my dining room table. When we have like events, unscented tea lights, they're $5.99 for 100 here, but they're $3.99 for all of them now in the thrift store. These stuck out to me, another height in the candles that I'm looking for, and they are party light, so I know they're a little bit more expensive, and they're only going for $2.99 here, so I think I'm gonna grab them. Girl, this is why you bend down and look at the bottom shelf, because I just saw these two, different height from the two that I got just a second ago on a different shelf. Yes, I feel like I need to make some hard decisions because this is just way too much. It's just too much. This is confusing because I see the price of $2.99 here, but then if you turn it over, someone also put a $9.99. I'm gonna leave it for somebody else. I don't need this. I just thought it was cute and I put it in my cart. I'm gonna put these back. I'm kind of shocked because I do like how worn and weathered they are, but I'm gonna put them back. They were marked $2.50 at the store that they were being sold in, brand new, and they're $4 here at the Goodwill. And I think I'm gonna put this back as well because I think I would be more inclined if I had two of them. Oh God, it needs to be washed. It needs to be washed. Let me think about it. I don't know, gosh, what do I do? Tell me, what do I do? I thought this was a blanket. It's actually a shawl. So I'm gonna leave it here because although I can just sew up these two ends together and make it into a blanket, ain't nobody got time for that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not much of a blue person when it comes to decor, so I don't know why I'm leaning in on this blue. I like the beige, that's what it is. I like the beige. I'm probably gonna regret that one. It's a little tall for a table. It's more for a floor. Let's go through what I'm going to keep for my fall decor thrift trip. This was hard to kind of pare down what I want to take because there were a lot of good items here today, but I think I'm going to be happy with what I took. These, because I think they're going to be great for my decor. They're party lights, so I know they're good quality. The small ones are $2.99, the big ones are $3.99, so it's a little pricey, but you know, that's what you get when you're thrifting in season. Remember my tip, don't be like me. Don't thrift while you're in season. I did come across and keep the various sizes of these little ceramic containers, vases, vases, and I think I'm gonna do a little DIY to them and paint them a different color. This is a great deal, $3.99 for 100 party lights. Maybe it's about 100, I don't know. Maybe they used some of them, but still, it's a good price for these, and I definitely will use them. We use them for our holiday dinners. Because I did the Google Lens and I found the price of this, I think I value it more now, but it's still gonna be really cool. Like you could put a bowl that holds your bread or anything like that in there. I kind of went crazy in the soft linens area. It's kind of expensive to keep, but if you think about how much it would cost to make something like this, and you can tell it's rather new as well, smells good. I'm gonna put it into the dryer with some dryer wipes to clean it without destroying the fibers. That's $11.99. It's a little pricey. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this one. Like it's total fall vibes. It's a little worn in though. And so I don't know, I'm kind of going back and forth on it even as I look at it now. Like I look at it on camera and I'm like, oh my God, this is amazing. But in person, I don't know if I feel the same way. This I thought would be great for a tablecloth actually. $7.99. It's huge. And if it fits on my table, I would use this as the base for my tablescape for Thanksgiving because it has the warm colors that I'm looking for. I know that it's like elephants and everything, but still, elephants are good luck, right? And elephants have Thanksgiving. I'm trying to justify it. This is gonna require a little DIY, $3.99, but I can do that, that's no problem. Just, you know, weather it up, make it a little bit more rich tones like this. And then my big splurge of the day, which I don't know why I'm doing it, but I'm doing it. These pillows. They're just too good to pass up. And they're $12.99 each. That's more than I ever spend on something at the thrift. That's not true. I just bought a $20 wool coat last week. Girl, why am I lying to you? So anyways, that's what I'm taking up to the register. Here's the total price. Right below, there's the total price. Tell me if I left behind anything that you would have picked up. Tell me if I should leave behind some items that you would have left behind. Leave me some comments in below, down there. And tell me, are you fall thrifting now? Have you gotten any really great fall thrifts? If so, I'd love to hear about it. All right, beautiful. I am out the door for today. I love you. Have a great week. See you later. Bye.